I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll extend the concept of equation of a line to equation of line segment. The question here is, find the vector equation of the line that passes through the points A and B, where coordinates of point A is 2, 3, 4 and B is 3, minus 1, 2. Then part 2 of this question is, write the vector equation of the line segment AB. So to find the equation of the line, we can consider this as a position vector. So we have A, which is 2, 3, 4, and we have B, which is 3, minus 1, 2. So if you see that from origin we have OA, which will be a position vector 2, 3, 4, and OB, that is from origin, this vector will be 3, minus 1, 2. Now between these 2 points, I'm not really sketching it, but I'm just saying that if these are the two, let me just extend this. Okay, so let us say that these points A and B are kind of like this, right? So I'm not really, this is not the true position, but just assume, okay? In that case, we're saying that from the origin, right? So somewhere here, let us say we have the origin, right? In that case, this is the position vector, and this is the other position vector. Is it okay? So that is kind of the position. Okay. In that case, the direction AB, which is the direction vector, let's write this as D, will be equals to OB minus OA, right? So which we could write this as, let me write square brackets for the vector. Okay, so that gives you 3 minus 2, and then minus 1 minus 3, and 2 minus 4, right? So the direction vector is 3 minus 2 is 1, that is minus 4, and this is minus 2. So that becomes the direction vector for us. Once we know the point and the direction vector, we can always write down the vector equation. So we say vector equation is any coordinate point x, y, z will be equal to, let's use A, which is 2, 3, 4, plus the parameter t and the direction 1 minus 4 minus 2, right? Where t belongs to real numbers. So that becomes the equation of the line, which is shown in red here. So that is the first part, right? Now the question is, how do we get the vector equation of the line segment AB, right? So that is the question. Now you'll see that if I write t equals to 0, then what happens? If t equals to 0, then we get 2, 3, 4, right? So this point, the vector is pointing to A, right? If t equals to 0, we get 2, 3, 4, if t is 0. And if t equals to 1, then what do we get? We get 2, 3, 4 plus 1 minus 4 minus 2. So in that case, we get 2 plus 1, which is 3, 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, 4 minus 2, which is 2, right? So what we get is OB, right? So this results into OB, right? So that really means that t equals to 1 is this point, t equals to 0 is this point. So the t values, the parameter values between 0 and 1 represents the line segment AB. You get an idea, right? So we can conclude that the equation of the segment AB is set of points x, y, z, right? 2, 3, 4 plus t times 1 minus 4 minus 2, where t belongs to real number, but t is restricted to within 0 and 1, and that gives you the equation of segment AB, right? So I hope you understand the concept. So segment AB is the portion of the line where the parameter t is within 0 and 1, right? So that is how the segment is related with the line. I hope that helps you to understand the concept. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.